Okay, so now that you are in groups, in different groups, we have 7 groups in class. Each group has 4 students. So the thing is that all the things that we have learned about the functions in mathematical, you know that we have different kind of points. So the thing is that each group has one different function. So we have to start with the first point, that as you remember is the domain of a function. So each group is going to look for the domain of his or its function. Okay? We are going to keep only, 2 minutes for that. When the 2 minutes are finished, we are going to change the exercise and we are going to pass our exercise to the other group. Okay? The other group has to review if the domain that have done the previous group is correct or not first, and then we are going to do the second point, that is the intersection point with the axis. Okay? Another 5 minutes. When we finish that, we are going to change again the paper and we are going to review if the domain and the intersection points that have done the previous groups are correct or not. And then do the third one, that is the symmetry. And on with all the points that we have to study in the function. Do you understand?
Yes.
So 2 minutes for that. Starting from now. Finishing 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so please, the group 1, take your paper and give it to the number 2, number 2 to number 3, all of you. So change the paper, please. And remember that you now have to review if the domain that have done the first group is correct or not. And then go on with the second point, intersection point with the axis. So now we are going to take all the exercises. We have 7 exercises with all the points done. Okay? So that in 1 hour we have done another 7 exercises for you to study to the exam next week. Remember that next week we will have the exam.